Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap East Hemet, local and long-distance movers near me. Our staff of expert movers will ensure your long-distance move goes easily. Selecting our team to assist you means your cross-country move is going to go efficiently. The right moving services help make all the difference, and we offer just what you require for your upcoming move. Hiring us provides you access to each of the essential moving services, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to rationalize the cost when choosing a California moving company. When you evaluate the main benefits you get, the price might be much easier to handle. You get the benefit of saving time on your local move, which will be well worth it. Movers can also assure you don't need to handle any of the heavy lifting. With our qualified movers, you receive a very efficient move from start to finish. Moving day gets simpler with 3 movers because we simplify your entire move. If your move is large enough that it will take you all week, we can get it done in less than 1 day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Hemet moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.